Our signal to sell 116.36.5 was taken and sent to Spectre. You could see here the signal was actually executed at 134.6, and it's going to close in a few seconds. That was the sell level done by your expert advisor. The trade was sent to your demo here, or what is that? Okay, so the trend was, I'm sorry, okay, the trend was sent to your demo real account, and that's all there is to it. We had analysis today on this level at 116.42.37 level. That's why the robot also has placed an order there, and that was the order that was sent to you at the moment the market reached there, and that's the final result. The order will expire here in 20 something seconds, and most likely will be a win. The same order can be sent to your Forex account. We had a good run this week, lots of good trade and a nice average. We had a good run this week with about 14 trade and 10 win. It's about 75% win, which is nice. We try to say between 2/3 and 75%. That's good enough. It's good enough for each $10 that you are working with. Then you make $6, and we take $1.50 commission. That's all, nothing on the loss. So our interest is make you win as much as we can. Meanwhile, our Forex is doing well. The Spectre and the digital option is over. Now we still have open position in Forex. And that was the Forex signal, send on time, 116.37. Very nice. So you see our stop at 16.57, very close stop. Our first take profit is slightly lower here at 15.97. Whatever, the expert advisor is saying that we could go back up to 16.36. In that case, that would be another signal and another occasion to sell once more on Forex, accumulate position on the way down. That position would remain open over the weekend if we have taken the first profit.